Hello, we've got Ninja and Tash here.
Hey guys.
And today we're talking about thumbs. So Tash was looking at her thumb and how she's used it a lot and it's kind of changing. And mine is really quite dramatically changed as well. I think I've got to show you that. Well, the left is quite thin.
Whoa.
And even the thumbnail has really changed, and bits that are kind of really gristly, and the joint is big through here. And Tash, your right thumb has changed. It's got a bit of
shape,
thicker through here, more muscle in here. And so we wanted to talk about thumb care, and I suppose because we do this, teach this sort of stuff in our mentorship, our course, and also in our academy. We talk about thumb care for practitioners, but I'm going to give you a bit of an insight of what we can do in what we do in our courses and the academy, so we can show you a bit of some of the work we do. So I'm going to start working on Tash, and so you can kind of learn about different spots, because like through here and through here, there's quite some good kind of trigger points, and like down into here, like there's a real MMT kind of spot is where there's a junction, so I can work into there. And I suppose as a practitioner over 25 years now, I've kind of smashed my thumbs, and I've worked on my own thumbs a lot, so I kind of know where the sore spots are, where it kind of accumulates and builds up. So I'd say that people that are tradies, got hold of the hammer, the drill, the pliers, if you're an electrician or whatever, they're going to have all these kind of sore spots as well, but maybe not even just tradies. It might be people that sew or cook or
fine motor skills or
writing with their pens and that. So I'm just sort of went into here, and then I'm going along that thumb line, so dragging along the bone. Does that feel all right?
Yeah, it's sore.
But
it's manageable.
Yeah. So just connecting right in and trying to find those lines of tension. So
for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content, updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Strong finger.
Yeah, my finger's strong, so I could. Thing with this, you can do this on yourself. So I've kind of got my own elbows into my own thumb quite a bit, and you can kind of grab your own elbow if you're going to do the inside and kind of do that and work right in that as well. But you can kind of can get a bit of an elbow into these sort of spots. So I can kind of get in here with you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And you can connect in, so nice and slow. So if you've watched any of our other videos, you'll notice that we're going quite slow.
Yeah.
A lot of times it doesn't even look like we're moving. It's just going so slow. It's like a snail, or we're trying to really pin into a tendon or a joint where the real problem area is, and just giving it enough time to melt.
Yeah.
And that's the key, because when you're going fast, it just doesn't have time to get that real change and that imprint into the Golgi tendon organ. You want to get tech.
Here we go.
To make the change, So a lot of times it's all scarred up, it's blocked up, it's got solidified connective tissue, it's blocked, and it needs time. And a lot of times it needs that 3 minutes plus to kind of really work out.
Yeah.
So
unravel and.
Yeah, so you got to honour that. You can't rush fascia melting is one of the ones I say. So just over this joint here, I can feel on you, Tash.
Whoa.
Yeah, there's gunk, there's pain, there's build up, there's resistance.
Yeah.
And we've got to unravel that, reprogram it, So it can change, not have to have that cement kind of stuff in there.
Yeah.
That's kind of strong, but it can also be painful and a bit dysfunctional, not optimal like it could be with just a bit of clearing type of work. So it's going to go across that joint. Yeah, how's it feel?
That is just sore.
Yeah.
Wow, what connection.
Yeah.
My
Connection.
God.
Be a connection wizard.
Yeah. This
That's
guy.
the thing, yeah. I love it. That's what it's all about. That word connection. So, yeah, I'm big on that word. I'm thinking of I haven't done it yet. I'm got to do it. But 20 ways of connecting every day. So, like, connect with nature.
I guess you do lots that you don't even.
Yeah.
You do heaps that you wouldn't even.
Yeah. But it's sort of important to connect. That's the main reason we're on the planet, I kind of believe. Connect with other humans is probably number one, you know. And how can you do that? How can you make that connection in a healthy way? So, exercising together, listening to music together, dancing together, eye contact, open body language, conversation, And they're all important ways of connecting with each other. Touch, listening, things like that. But being physically present is such an important thing and important way to connect. But connecting with nature. You know, get your shoes off, get outside, get in the sun, get in the fresh air. You know, just get in different biomes. So you know, don't just be in the same places all the time. And that gives you that awe as well, where you kind of see nature different ways. You know? So it's nature. You've got to be in awe of nature because it's fucking so phenomenal. Just how it's all kind of ties in together, the different ecosystems. You got all the plant life, the animal life, the bug life, the moss, the fungi, all that kind of stuff. It's just they all kind of got a purpose in place.
Circle life. Yeah. It's amazing.
Like that. So but connecting in with yourself it's a really important one. Just tuning in and kind of what is authentically you, you know, figuring that out and what makes you tick, what's valuable, what do you want to import into your life. So you got to go internal and reflect back on, you know, your life and so that you can kind of learn the lessons and then you can move forward, because we don't want to stay in the past. It's impossible. We can't go back and change things, but we can change our perspective on things from the past and learn and have a different kind of view on things. So I'm going to go along. This is a really good one along here, and sort of like paralyzes the hand a little bit when you get on certain spots. But it's these retinaculums and little fascial sheets that kind of make things strong and hold it together. But this is sort of the work that you can do to unravel that.
It's pretty amazing what they do.
Yeah. Hands, how cool are hands? You know, it's something that's so important and so personal, so intimate for each person. Our hands, it's sort of like it's probably a signature thing, and we probably don't even think about it. Like, you know, we probably know each other's hands, but we kind of don't consciously know it.
Yeah.
You know?
Wow.
One thing that got me, it was like 25 years ago, I was at the dissection lab, you know, and like the
as you do
cadavers. Like, and I was freaking out, like dead bodies, cutting them up and stuff like that. But
I think it's so fascinating.
Seeing people's hands was crazy. I know they kind of had all the faces covered over. Yeah. And but the hands, it got me. So I just saw their life.
Oh,
you know what I mean? Like
through their hands.
Because your hands, your calluses, if they're soft or if they're calloused or they're, you know, it
like
says,
telling your story.
It tells a story. Oh. It's like a little library of your life, a little diary, isn't it? Like all the work you've done.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So if you can see the knuckles, you know, if they got, like my knuckles have got worn bits on them from all the bodywork and stuff, you know, so, and like calluses from the pull-ups. Or the
training.
The
hard work.
But then a pianist to be different, and someone that sews a lot, they're going to have different kind of calluses from sewing all the time, you know, so it's sort of like, it's so personal, like a barista or something like that, like making coffees all day, you're going to have different hands.
Yeah, that's still hard work.
Yeah.
Wow. So, it's like stuck.
So we're going to do a little bit in here as well. So you can really
this guy.
get into here. So you kind of when you're doing this on yourself, you can kind of wrap your hand around it and push into it. Or kind of keep it down just so you can get a light in there and you can see. So I'm going to try and pin right into there, like that. And I'm going to work out.
This is going to be bad.
So I'm going to work into that, the joint. So, and you can do this on yourself and you can kind of get it perfect because you're feeling the sensations. You kind of, you know what is a good pain. So, so it's really important that you kind of use that intel, you know, that you know what is good, right, type of thing, what's good for you. So yeah, don't shy away from that and push into it.
It's amazing. Whoa.
Feel it coming up?
Yeah, it's started strong.
Yeah. So we're just getting here nice and strong.
Wow.
Yeah. So anyway, this is what you need to do if you're going to be a manual therapist. You're in the trenches, helping people all day. Helping humans is fucking such a privilege, and it's an honourable thing to do, isn't it?
Best thing ever.
Yeah. So we don't, when we do our stats, we don't call it how many appointments you do, because it doesn't personalise as much. We kind of call it how many people did you help, how many humans did you help.
Humans helped, yeah.
Yeah, so it just takes us back and reminds us each week of, you know, being a human yourself, and then we've got the capacity to kind of help others because we're strong, we've got knowledge, we've got experience, we're vital, we can, you know, help other people get to where they want to go, get out of pain for a start, and then get their function back. So we love that.
So satisfying.
Yeah. And one of the things we talk about too in our meetings and that is like, it's not just the physical work that we're doing, it's the intention we bring and the enthusiasm we bring, the conversation, you know, bringing our experience and sharing our stories with each other. That is a massive part of healing. I'm getting that, don't I?
So good.
Yeah.
Far out. Wow.
So yeah, one-on-one, physically present therapy. Yeah, don't discount it. It's good for the body, mind and soul, you know. So if you can develop a relationship with somebody that's doing body work, if you go and see them every 3 months, it's going to be so good for you, you know. So yeah, it's
so many ways.
Yeah, it's like because you connect on that deeper level, because we're getting into the deeper levels of your body, deeper layers of your body. So if you kind of build that rapport and that relationship, that bond, trust with the practitioner, you know that they're going to deliver that work, then it can be deeper, you know, on that another level, on other levels as well, because you can be vulnerable and you can kind of let go of past traumas, perhaps, you know. Understand things better, because like lots of things are just hidden and buried and deep inside us, and the body work, the fascial work can help to unravel it and then bring it to the surface, and kind of where there's awareness, there's consciousness around the traumas that have happened, and we can digest, process, you know.
Become better.
Yeah.
That is so good, man.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
So we're just working across the joint there.
Wow. I don't think I've ever had an elbow there.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Really good. I think I'm going to do it like you said, for yourself.
Yeah.
Do it on yourself.
Change an angle on there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Wow. Oh.
More?
Yeah, there's
just
more.
A little bit more.
Closer to that bone there.
Yeah, I'm pulling into it.
Yeah, that's amazing. That is crazy.
Yeah. So I'm pulling across that way.
Yeah. Yeah.
To really kind of connecting with it.
Far out. That's good.
And then I can scoop down along the thumb.
Oh my gosh.
And my other hand is really supporting it, so I'm pushing into. So it's not just a floppy thumb that I'm pushing into. I feel like it's going to snap off or something. Pushing into the pad of my own hand, and that supports it. And
Jesus, the strength, Ninja.
Yeah, just to hold it.
Yeah,
and keep it.
exactly.
I love that detail, but under, deep while you're going really deep, and then, but to be detailed.
Oh my God.
Deep and detailed.
Deep and detailed.
Wow.
That can be your new thing.
Yeah. Go deeper. Yeah. Anyway, if you're out there and you want to help people and you want to do body work and you want to learn off Aaron and myself, or come and get a session from Tash, do it. Come on. What's holding you back?
So good.
Yeah. So that's the most fulfilling thing, and we feel like we don't work. We're just having chats with other humans all day and exercising with each other and having coffees with each other and stuff. Fucking awesome. Why wouldn't you do it?
Yeah, how could you not?
Yeah, I'm gonna come out.
So. Oh my gosh. It went around a bit. Those veins. They're jacked now.
Yeah, he's got veins.
Yeah, look at these.
Have a close up look at
Look
that.
at that.
Just where probably pinning it.
Yeah.
See that?
Whoa. Like a bodybuilder ninja.
Yeah, giant thumb.
My thumb's gonna be bigger than Ninja's one day.
One day.
I'm getting there.
Look at that.
Thank you, Ninja. That was incredible.
Pleasure.
I needed that.
Cool.
We all need it. That feels so different.
Yeah.
I can feel this is like achy and sore now compared to this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
that's amazing.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.
Thumbs.